Now this is one of our more popular floral arrangements for spring weddings. It is slightly more expensive, but well worth it. Flowers add so much.
Honey, let's get this one.
How about this one? It's a lot smaller. They'll need room at each table for the
Sir,
plates.
that's not. It's just a starter base.
You know what? We'll take this one.
75 tables. And the main table. Oh, and don't forget sales tax.
Don't feel sorry for this guy. He's fooled everyone into believing that he's handicapped. Not now, Jim.
What's up your ass? I'm not the one who took a shit in your stall.
Hey Eddie, I'll trade you 2 Zerlots, 3 Prozacs for a lithium. It's in the air, man. Look at this. It's disgusting. They put it in the air.
We put it in the soap.
National Help Ugly Guys Get Laid Day.
That's 2 fucks in 1 weekend.